guys, welcome back to Style of Substance and welcome to this Sunday's video. So it's 2 in 1. It's going to be a giveaway winner reveal and also a quick homeware haul, as I popped into M&S and picked up some stuff for the house. So I thought I'd share that with you guys and just make it slightly less boring and like straight to the giveaway winner. So if you want to see what I picked up from M&S, and if you also want to find out if you won the giveaway that I posted last week, then please keep watching. So I will start with the homeware haul first of all. I will kick off. I didn't get loads of stuff actually, but mainly I went into M&S for a new bed sheets, and as you do, you kind of run out with loads of other stuff. So first thing I got were the M&S Home Cotton Rich pillowcases. So these are just in a standard size. They don't do them like, you know, they're just kind of, they fit like a standard size pillowcase. And these were £7.50, so it comes with a pack of 2, which is handy. I then got, oh, this is, yeah, random. I then got a pedestal mat. So this is to go around the toilet bowl, so that I'm not using, so I was using like the normal like bath mats, the rectangular ones, but I realised that pedestal mat is what I need. So I got one like this. It's just grey, kind of matches one of the mats I have from, I think it's from Next Home. So yeah, not as soft, but hey, it's 100% cotton, and it was £6, which is a steal. Then I got a king size duvet, again from the M&S Home range. It's just a cotton rich percale duvet cover, apparently naturally soft and comfortable, 180 thread count. So I'm just gonna have a quick feel of it, see. Oh, it is quite soft actually. Also, I always thought that Egyptian cotton was like the softest cotton you can get anywhere, but actually this kind of cotton is softer. So somebody in the comments below let me know like how the whole thread count thing works, because yeah, I always thought Egyptian cotton would be like the softest of all, but it's really not. It's quite coarse actually. But anyway, then I got from the same range a fitted sheet, king size again, and this was £19.50. Oh, and the duvet cover was £29.50. And this kind of caught my eye. So it's this really cute potted plant, faux potted plant by the way, but how real does it look? And it comes in this nice sort of vase, like so, with some like fake greenery in there. If I can find it, I will link it below. But just, yeah, just a green potted plant. It was £35, and I think this is gonna go like where my TV is, or maybe on the dining table in the back there. So yeah, that's all the stuff I picked up from M&S Home, and the moment you've all been waiting for, probably. I was supposed to announce this yesterday, but I figured let me just do it as part of my Sunday video for you. So Monika Horvat. So congratulations, Monika, you have won the giveaway. So what I will do is I will message you here on YouTube and just get your details so I can send that to you. But thank you so much to everybody who entered. I will take on board your feedback around limiting the number of channels that you guys have to follow me on for future giveaways, because what I didn't have a good grasp of is how many of the other social platforms you guys are on. So some of you weren't on Twitter, some of you aren't on Facebook. So next time I'll probably just limit it to being subscribed here on YouTube or Instagram or something like that. But yes, thank you so much all of you for entering. Thank you as well for all your feedback in terms of types of videos you want to see next. What I'm going to be doing is going through those comments, tallying up the ones that got the most votes and kicking off with those. I am in content production mode, so there is going to be a lot of new stuff that you're going to see. So this is one of 2 videos that you're getting today. This will be the first, and the second will be a vlog. So it will be bits and pieces that I picked up before I went to Barcelona, and yeah, what I did before then. And then the Barcelona vlog, I'm toying whether or not to put it up on Wednesday or on Sunday. I might do it on Wednesday. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting and just being lovely as ever. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good rest of the week. Bye.